afternoon, myself, Foreign Solanki. I'm Alex trainer. Since yesterday, I was getting a lot of requests of my student related IELTS speaking examination, how it will conduct, and what are the time limit, which kind of question will come, and a lot of question I got of my student. So for all of you who has a lot of question about IELTS speaking, I'm going to make a video according to your choice, especially of IELTS speaking. How IELTS exam will conduct, how you can prepare yourself, and how you can tackle the condition. This is a very easy. And before your IELTS speaking, what you have to do is you have to carry formal look or either casual look, but do not wear funky clothes and all and big fashion accessories. No, just simple, just keep it simple, and simple is a two, right? So just simple dress up, that is important. Second thing, do not panic a lot, just keep sitting and thinking this is not an option, and this way you cannot tackle the issue. Before that, you can do your favorite activity. For example, I love cooking, I love watching movies, I love to watch online games on mobile, not PUBG, but there are a lot of games which I love to play. So what you have to do is you have to prepare yourself, just calm down yourself, do not panic a lot, because you already know the 3 month and 2.5 month and whatever the 3 month you give for your IELTS examination, that is quite enough. So do not panic and do not think a lot. And yes, overthinking prohibited, right? So just what you have to need one thing, passport. Without passport you cannot enter in your examination hall. This is the must. And yes, watches are not allowed. So what you have to do is, while you are doing the practice of your speaking, that time you have to manage the time limit, because according 1.5 minute, till that you have to prepare your cue card. So you have to manage time, that is the must thing. So just carry a simple smile, and yes, now I'm ready for examination. I have my passport, and now in few seconds I will be entering in my examination hall. I'm nervous, but I'm not panic. And yes, carry smile with confidence, because confidence is the most important ornament which you are wearing, you will wear in your examination. Alright, let's go. May I come in, madam?
Yes.
Can I sit?
Yes. Myself Chandi Patel, and I am your today's examiner. What is your name?
My name is Forum Solanki.
Show me your passport, please. Okay. Your today's speaking exam will conduct in three parts. Part 1 introduction question, part 2 cue card, and part 3 follow-up questions. Now we will start. Describe yourself in short.
Myself, Forum Solanki. I just recently completed my master's into environmental science, and right now I'm IELTS trainer. And I love listening music and cooking. That is my favorite hobby. And my dream is I want to enjoy world tour.
Are you a happy person?
Yes, of course, I am a happy person. I love to enjoy each and every moment of my life. So yes, I'm a happy person.
What makes you unhappy?
When I expect something from my near and dear ones, and that time if they disappointed me, so that make me unhappy at times.
Does the weather ever affect how you feel?
Yes, definitely. When someone behave badly with us, so that affect on us, and that reflection we get in our life, and that was not a good vibration, but definitely that thing affect us. Even that thing irritate us a lot.
Do you have a hobby?
I have lot of hobby, and my favorite hobby is watching movie and gardening. That's my favorite hobby.
Do you think hobbies should be shared with other people? Yes, definitely. Hobbies must be shared with everyone because this is the way where we spreading happiness into the people, and that is the good thing that we can learn different things from our parents or from our friend as well. Are clothes important to you? Of course, for me, clothes are very important, and that reflect my personality. And one thing I remember, which my father told me, that the first impression is always last. For that, perfect dress up is very important in our life. Do you ever wear the traditional clothes of your country? Yes, definitely. I love to wear traditional clothes of my country in the time of festival or in the time of get together that look very pleasant and very different. What did you do on your last birthday? On my last birthday, I enjoyed with my friends, and I that was the memorable birthday because after that my one friend left India. So that time I enjoyed with my friend and family. Which birthdays are considered important in your country? Most of when kids turning in teenagers, approximately in 11 to 12 year age, that is important, and that birthday is very important. After that, their mental growth as well as physical growth will start. So I think teenagers' birthday in that age, that is extremely important. Do you like flowers? I love flowers, and my name is Forum. The meaning of my name is fragrance, so I love flowers. When was the last time when you gave someone flowers? I didn't remember well that when was the last time when I gave someone flower, but yes, on Mother Day, I gave red rose to my mother. Do you have a healthy diet? Yes, I have healthy diet and I am health conscious person. I love to manage my routine, especially diet, which make my skin glowing and hydrating. What is your favorite food? Well, my favorite food is Gujarati food. Apart from that, I love to eat Punjabi food as well. Okay. This is your cue card topic. I will give you 1 minute for prepare on it. Thank you. Start.
Okay, your 1 minute is over. Now you can speak. Alright, since my childhood, I'm fond of movies. In my childhood, I was watching animation films and cartoon as well. My favorite cartoon character is Chota Bheem, and I love to watch movie for entertainment purpose, which refresh my mind. Today, here I would like to talk about a film which I would love to share with my friend. It is my favorite movie. The name of movie is Dear Zinki, means Dear Life. Before few years ago, I watched that movie with my friends on Friendship Day. That is really very amazing movie. The lead character of that movie was Mr. Shahrukh Khan, who was the most popular and romantic actor of my country. In that movie, they explain such theories and practical example of youngsters' life. Because in youngsters' life, they are facing lot of questions, lot of problems related to their job, career, their targets, money, loan, relationship, and so on. So in that movie, they are representing that how you can tackle down those all issues which will come in your life with the help of a huge smile and a positiveness. That is the most important one, because whenever they stuck in problem, they always became panic, and that is not a good option to solve any problem. In that movie, Shahrukh Khan explained a one very good example of chair theory. That is my favorite one. In that movie, Shahrukh Khan said that if you went in a shop to buy a chair, so definitely you will sit on a one chair. If you are not feeling comfortable, so you will try next one. Then you are not feeling comfortable, so you will try the another one. Whenever finally you got your fixed chair, like I am feeling comfortable over here, so you definitely buy it. Same way we are meeting in our people in our life, and it is not important that we match up, because each and every person has their own thinking, their own culture and all. So it is not impression that not important that in any time, any problem, whenever any problem will come in your life, so that is not important that you went in depression. There are other options which we have to think. We have to think out of the box. That is the message of the movie, and the movie is really very amazing. When I watched that movie, I'm so inspired. That is, I was speechless, and that is a beautiful movie. The song of that movie was amazing and melodious. One very good song of that movie is Dear Zindagi, Love You Zindagi, in which they were explaining that say yes to those things which you love the most and say no to those things which irritate you and which you don't like and ignore those things. Same way you ignore those people who are irritating you, who do not have as much good sense. So that way we can tackle down the issue. And this is the inspiration and motivational movie. Whenever I stuck in my life in any problem, I love to watch the movie. The song is really very powerful and positiveness. So yes, this movie I love to share with my friend because of the wonderful message which is important right now for youngsters.
Do different age groups like the same kinds of films?
Not actually, because each and every age group has their own favorite choice. For example, kids, they like cartoon films and animation. Youngsters prefer according to their taste comedy or romantic or action, etc. So different age group has their own sense of their own taste for movies.
What kinds of films do young people particularly like?
Especially young people love to watch inspiration and motivation movie which help them to complete their target. For example, me in my free time I love to watch inspiration and motivation movie. And for at time, I love to watch comedy movie because laughing is the best exercise and that is important one because when we laugh, that time our stress will went away. So that is important one.
What do you think of violent films?
I think violent films are not good for anybody, especially for kids, because that will give a bad impression on their mind, and at time they will become more aggressive, and that is also not good for youngsters as well. Definitely, they will provide negative impact, and especially youngsters became aggressive, and they cannot tackle the problem, and their body language, their sense of humor will totally destroy. So I think this type of movie is not good for anybody.
Why do you think movies need computer techniques?
Movies must require computer technique for editing, which clear their images, which provide good sound quality, which also provide good HD video quality as well, and which also reduce the background noise, and which enhance such structure as well. So nowadays, this is the most important thing.
Do you think cinemas will disappear in the future?
No, I don't think so that cinema will disappear in future, because cinema is the purpose for entertainment for everybody, for every age group people. And in future, definitely to enjoy their time, to enjoy their moment, they prefer to watch films. So no, not possible. According to my view, don't think so that that will become possible in future. Never ever.
Do you think watching films have educational benefits?
Of course, yes. Watching films provide a plethora of benefits, and that is important for youngster, elder, adults, teenagers, kids as well, because their sense of humor will increase. They will become a good person if they inspire from such good characters, and that is the important one. And movies provide beautiful message and thinking to the society, which is very important for a madness, and this way they provide happiness into the society.
Till today, what you learned from films?
Till today, I had learned a lot of things, plethora of things. Firstly, I had learned that don't be judgmental in life, because when people will become judgmental, that is not a good option, and they judge people on the basis of their look, their color, their clothes. That is not important one, because each and every people has their own taste. And secondly, when you have everything, that time your attitude, and when you have nothing, that time your attitude, in the sense personality, your behavior, thinking power, positiveness, inspiration, those all things I had learned in my life from movies.
Okay, your speaking test is over.
Thank you.